Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's update our view on the gold market. You can see yesterday it was not really significant price action. The market was mostly scoring around the intraday targets that have been achieved. In general, as we discussed in our weekly report, we see the recent drop in the gold is too strong, and we think that market is overestimated the importance and positivity of the vaccine and vaccination. We think that it's a bit too early for the rally of this scale, or better to say the plunge of the scale on the gold, and we think that this recent drop could provide us the good chance to take the long position for a significant pullback in the nearest couple of months. But at the same time, current level 1780 approximately, it's not the level that we're considering. We think that its good level should be around 1740, approximately 1730, as we see the major ABCD target to the downside on the weekly chart and creates the support agreement with the fib level. So all the stuff we discussed in our weekly report. That means that despite that currently you can see some bullish upward reaction, it's minor, but it has started. We think that, well, it's not the action that we are waiting for. Probably it should be another leg down before the major reversal on the gold market will start. And that makes us to think that currently we see just a minor pullback with respect on the intraday targets. So recall that on the follow time frame chart we have the support area. This is the butterfly extension 1618 around 1776. That's also Pfizer OP target. It's based on the Pfizer announcement. We monitoring the action with this ABCD pattern because this is an important event that has changed the short-term sentiment on the market drastically. That's why the ABCD pattern that is based on this event is also important. And you can see currently the bullish upward reaction here. Well, as you can see, it's a bit choppy, slow, no impulse action or thrusting action here. And that makes us think that's probably just a minor pullback here. By taking a look at the hourly chart, it could take the shape of some kind of the, well, head and shoulders maybe, or something of that sort. And we think that, well, most probable destination points will be somewhere around conference resistance around 18 even. So if we suggest this could be some kind of the same retracement down from this level, then the ABCD extension, so it should be somewhere around 18 even, 1805 conference resistance. So that's the target that market could achieve. Because to make the conclusion that we stand in some major reversal, the reversal that we're waiting for, we need some stronger, faster upward action on the gold market. And of course, we need some greater pattern on the larger scale, especially on the hourly chart. Since our setup stands on the weekly, this ABCD destination point target to the downside stands on the weekly, support stands on the weekly. Means the reaction on the hourly chart should be more extended, and it should be some extended reversal pattern, either the big butterfly, something of that sort that we see on the follow time frame charts. Big, maybe not as big as here, but it should be some extended pattern. It should be maybe head and shoulders around the support there or something of that sort. So taking it all together, we think that it's not yet the reversal that we are waiting for. We considering currently as a retracement. Besides, currently we do not see significant background for this reversal. Definitely, the upward action will be triggered by some fundamental event. Maybe it will be some news on the stimulus. Maybe it will be some progress in the Donald Trump contesting efforts of the elections. So by the news that I have read today, it seems that this topic is rather hot and it's not closed yet, and the new events are happening every day on this subject. That really... It is not observed in the major news media because the major news media is controlled by the Democrats. That's why this topic is closed on the major federal channels, in the major newspapers, but it doesn't mean that it not exist. Well, we still see some risk with that. Maybe this will become the background for the possible rally in the gold. We do not know. But definitely it will be some important and valuable fundamental event. So that's our position currently in the gold. So we think that it's not yet the area where we intend to go long. Downward action probably will continue here, and that is just minor reaction on the intermediates on intraday support area, shows this some bounce action. At the same time, currently we are not intent to go short because, well, gold stands relatively close to the point where we intend to buy. And second, that's not our major direction. We would like to buy gold at the significant support. That's why trying to make the scalp short trades stands not in agreement with our trading plan. So, but it doesn't mean that you can't trade or make the scalp trades on the intraday charts, some scalp shorts, some scalp long trades, it's possible. But since we're dealing with the weekly daily stuff, we're waiting and watching for major targets here, major levels.